Okay, now let's design the screen first. Okay, first of all we need to design our main screen. So let me cut it, and if current state is main, okay, sorry, what has happened? Okay, okay, now just do one thing. As we already using the Tailwind CSS, so just do one thing. So okay, let's save it and just run it. Okay, just to test that whether our front end is running okay or not. Okay, sorry. Okay, our front end is running, so let's just do one thing. Here create one div also. Okay, so here it will be class name dot flex column minimum height of the screen. It will take the minimum height of the screen, and here we are going to use another div that will be our header. Okay, so here header will be, so here one will be div. Okay, so div will suppose class name, and we are going to flex it. Padding is suppose 4, and text is white. Okay, and font is bold, and the text size will be suppose 3XL. Okay, so now here we are going to use one image. Okay, and will be spam, and the image section we are going to use the I need one image, right? Okay, this is the image, so I just do one thing. Here I am going to paste it. Okay, so it is plant ai.png. Okay, sorry, plant ai.emg. It is logo, height will be suppose 8, and width is also 8. Okay, and margin is 4. It is okay. So now it is plant AI. Okay, spam is plant AI. And also I'll just do one thing, text is white. Okay, text is white, font is bold, and text is 3XL. Okay, just save it. Okay, it is display pant AI, it is displaying, but it is doing some, it is not looks good. Okay, right, it is not looks good. So in the header section it is called, okay, it is right, correct. Screen base URL. Okay, minimum height, font bold TXL, flex. Okay, anyway, okay, that's it. Now just do one thing. Now it will be a hero content. Here we need to add one div. Okay, so here it will be like class name flex1. Okay, class name flex1, flex call, item center. It is right, justify center. Okay, it is correct. Padding is suppose 8, and text is also center. Okay, now here I need, okay, so here suppose text is 4XL. Okay, it is card, font is bold, white. Okay, welcome to plant AI, or like we already try our AI powered. Now break it, and then like this is detection h1. Okay, now there will be one button. Okay, so button will be like busy is on click, it is set current screen. Okay, detection, it will go to the detection screen. Okay, as you already know, we have detection and main screen. If you already see main and detection screen, right? So whenever we click on that, this is detection, or it is will be try now. Whenever click on the try now, it will go to the detection page. Okay, so here design is background will be yellow. Okay, background will be yellow, text will be black. Px will be 8, py will be 3. Okay, it is correct. Rounded will be large, or it will be full shadow. Okay, whenever it is hover, background will be white. Transition color. Okay, it is good. And empty is 6 suppose. Okay, so let's save it and check. Okay, one more thing, that our tailwind is not set properly. Okay, that's why it is not showing. Just do one thing, let me just check why tailwind is not working properly. Okay, I just reinstall the tailwind css because my first installation is not correct. So I searched on Google, and I did the change, and I now it is working fine, I think. Just do one thing, just run the code. Yeah, as you see, it is working fine now. Okay, so now just go to our code. Now I need one section where it is how it works section, right? So there will be a how it works section where there is 4 blocks. Okay, so in that blocks we are displaying how it is work. So just do one thing, just for now just copy this part and paste it here. Now in this part, class name, it will be gradient. Okay, gradient I need from to top. Okay, and it will be green 700 to green 500. Okay, green 500. Okay, so then there will be a header, head 2, and here I need, okay, here I need text. I will add random pixel size. Okay, font is semi bold, text is center, and text is white, and MB12, margin button 12. Okay, and here it will be like how it works. Okay, so after that I need another div. Okay, I need another div. It will be like a centralized div. Class name, it will be grid section, grid colon 1, and for medium screen it will be 2, and from large screen grid calls it will be 4, gaps will be 8, no problem. 4XL, yeah, just do one thing, 4XL. Okay, now there will be another div. Here I need the content, right? Here I need to paste the content. So for like class name, flex call, okay, flex item center, it is correct, and text is center, text is also center, and here I need one icon, right? Here I need one icon. For icon, before adding the icon, just add the class name. Width is 16, okay. Height is 16, okay. Rounded full, okay. Background is green, and it will be 100, okay. Flex item is flex, okay. And item center it is right, correct. Item is center, and justify center, okay, no problem. Margin is 4, and text is 2XL, okay. And font is bold, text is green, okay, text is green. Now just do one thing, will do one thing. I will add h3. Okay, here class name, font will be semi bold, font will be semi bold. Okay, text will be lg, mb2, margin button to text white. Okay, and here it will be click a pick, then there will be a paragraph. Okay, class name, text will be gray 300, and font is okay, no font, I need font is normal. Okay, tracking is wider. Okay, and text is small. Just the one thing, text is wide. Okay, and here just write take a picture of your plant. Okay, take a picture of a plant. Here I need one icon, right? For icon I just do one thing. For icon I just do one thing. Here I am going to import camera from this library, and here go on here I just do one thing, camera. Okay, size will be 32. Okay, just paste it to check. Okay, it is greet call 1, call 2, gap. Okay, how it's work, right? Greet call greet call. Okay, flex colon item center, text center. Okay, class name will hide, same rounded full. Okay, background is 100. Okay, it is flags, justify center. Okay, added to flags, justify center. Text to fold, bold, text green. Okay, margin. Okay, thick. Okay, okay. Okay, so I did one mistake actually here. Here I need to cut it. I need this text icon inside in and paste these things in here. Okay, okay, now this looks good. Okay, now just do one thing to check the responsive. I just copy it and paste it 4 times. Okay, it is not going horizontally, it is going vertically, so something is not correct.